You click a button, split a payment into 4 pieces, and assume you've managed your budget, but you've actually triggered a web of microdebts, a process known as fractional spending. Today, we are going to break that cycle by implementing the Sovereign Cash Flow Blueprint. We will execute 3 specific steps: the app purge, the cash-only rule, and zero-based sinking funds. To follow along, you need 2 tools: your smartphone and access to your primary mobile banking app. By the time we finish, you will have a smartphone configured to favor deliberation over impulse, moving your checkouts back into your own control. Step 1 is the app purge. The goal is to sever passive access to financing apps and put friction back into the purchasing process. Go to your smartphone's home screen. Find every Buy Now, Pay Later app you have installed and delete them. Deleting the apps alone is not enough. If your debit cards are still auto-saved in your digital wallets or browser autofill, the shortcut to debt remains open. Open your phone's browser settings, navigate to the Payment Methods section, and manually remove every saved debit card number from the system. Removing autofill forces you to physically find your wallet, pull out your physical card, and type out the numbers by hand. That extra time allows your natural caution to re-engage before you complete a checkout. By adding intentional friction, you shift the checkout experience from a passive click to an active decision. Now that your digital environment is clean, we move to step 2, the cash-only rule. This is a strict protocol for all future purchasing decisions. This rule is simple: check your liquid cash balance. If you want a $200 item but only have $150 available, the purchase is denied. You must account for existing obligations. If you forget pending installments, those micro-pulls will drain your balance and trigger overdraft fees. Pause the video and write down every active installment plan you still owe across all platforms. Failing to calculate these auto drafts while transitioning to a cash-only system will lead to a cascade of bank penalties. The cash-only rule applies exclusively to the liquid cash remaining after these legacy obligations are covered. Adopting this protocol forces you to confront your true purchasing power, preventing you from borrowing against your future paycheck for a purchase today. Step 3 replaces post-purchase financing with sinking funds. Instead of breaking a purchase into 4 payments after you buy it, you break the cost into savings installments before you buy it. Open your banking app and create a dedicated savings bucket for one specific purchase you have planned. Configure an automatic weekly transfer of a small amount, such as $25, from your main checking account into this bucket. Verify that this bucket is isolated from your daily spending and ready to receive its first automated deposit on your next payday. Sinking funds change your position from a reactive debtor to a proactive saver, allowing you to buy what you want without a debt hangover. You have reorganized your digital environment and removed the shortcuts that make split payments feel effortless. When you finally execute a purchase using your sinking funds, you own the item outright instead of renting your lifestyle 2 weeks at a time. Eliminating microdebt removes the noise from your bank statement, making it possible to actually plan for your long-term goals. To map out the rest of your income, click the video on screen to learn the comprehensive zero-based budgeting framework. Take back your wallet, and I will see you in the next one.